Hello my pearls and my gems. Like, yes, the name is still not decided. Like on YouTube also I'm getting some equal recommendation for both the name. Even on Instagram, like even though so many of you voted, I got equal number of votes, like 50-50 votes for both the name. And so like I'm planning to do something like lucky draw, or let's see like how I decide and what I decide. So anyways, in today's video I'm going to share some set of toners that are very suitable for the sensitive skin. Ever since I've said that you should use a toner or any product in general that has pH below 6.5 with minimalist Arbutin serum, so many of you wanted me to share some set of toners that would go well with Arbutin. Toners that I'm going to share in today's video are like 100% fragrance free, 100% essential oil free, so these are going to be amazing if you have sensitive skin or irritated skin in general. And also these toners, like they literally don't have any silicone, they are 100% silicone free, and also these toner doesn't have any fungal acne trigger. So if you have issues like general acne, or if your skin get clogged very easily, or if you're going through fungal acne, these toners are going to be very good options because they are completely safe on skin. And finally, like all of these toners are 100% alcohol free, and these toners have a low pH. Like I did check the pH of most of these toners, and for some I did take reference from the Google because those toners are like literally empty. So overall, like I got the pH between like from 5 to 6.5. So if you have like dry skin, sensitive skin, or if you're going through some weak skin barrier issue, these toners are again going to be some fantastic options for you. So I do get asked like where you can get the products that whatever I share in the videos. Check the description box below the video. I always link various purchase options from Indian website as well as from the global website. So if you are interested, check out the description box below. I do know that we have so many skin calming toners in the market, and many times like all the claims made by these skin calming toners, they look literally same to us, and it can get very confusing. And while picking the right toner for your skin, you need to consider few things. Number one, you need to consider your skin type, and we all have very unique skin. Like no two people have same skin, every skin is very unique. But in general, we have 4 types of skin. We have like normal, dry, combination and oily skin, and these skin type can have a skin concern like sensitivity, general acne or fungal acne or any other skin issue. And thirdly, you also need to consider the weather around you, like whether you live in hot humid city, something like Chennai or Mumbai, or do you experience like dry hot summer, something which we see in northern India, or if you are living in a very cold climatic condition. And lastly, you also need to consider your lifestyle, like do you have a lot of sun exposure, or do you spend your day sitting in air conditioned room or in a room that has room heater. So all these parameters do impact on the product you should be picking for your skin concern. And to ease out things for you, in this video I have distributed all the 7 toners in 3 major categories. In first category, I have the toners that are intensively calming and have some hydration effect as well. So if you are somebody who is dealing with lot of redness, lot of irritation, and also you're breaking out, the toners of the first category are for you. But one thing I want to say, these toners are not the intensive acne treatment, but more like a preventive skin calming and to ease out the inflammation that we get with the acne. Those acne inflammation and pain is very uncomfortable. I too get them. Like during that time, my face literally turns red and hot, and that feeling is not at all good. The first toner that I have in this category is the Purito Centella Unscented Toner, and this toner has a very lightweight consistency, but yet it has that beautiful slip and bounce to it, and on application on skin it gets absorbed instantly and it feels very comfortable and soothing. And at least on my skin, when I layer it 3 or 4 times, I literally feel that cooling sensation on skin. And this has very simple formulation, and Centella asiatica is its key ingredient, and they have also used the 4 different bioactive derivatives of centella. Like all these 4 bioactive of centella, they help in calming your skin, they help in healing your skin, they also prevent the severe acne scar formation, and they keep your skin overall healthy. It should be suitable for all skin types, but especially for the sensitive skin, or if you have sensitivity towards the witch hazel, check out the witch hazel free version of this toner. Like Purito literally has 3 versions of this toner. The first one is the original version in dark green packaging. That one has essential oil in it, and the second one is the 100% essential oil free version but with witch hazel, and third one is the without witch hazel. Oh my god, this has become such tongue twister. So the second toner in this category is the Innisfree Bija Sika Skin with pH of 5.5. I was kind of shocked to see that it had low pH, but I'm happy that it does have low pH. And this has a milky consistency, and don't get fooled by its consistency, because it kind of looks similar to that of I'm From Rice toner and the Laneige Cream Skin Refiner. And compared to those two, this has very light consistency, and when you apply on skin, it sinks in smoothly without any stickiness or without that heavy feeling on face. And this again has very minimal ingredient. It contains 4 bioactive derivatives of centella to calm your skin, to ease out the irritation. It also has bija seed oil, which is a carrier oil, but it has that skin moisturizing and soothing property, and it also contains choline to further improve the moisture level of your skin. So overall a fantastic toner. I definitely love it. Like literally Innisfree Bija Sika range is my favorite, and I feel that this range is very underrated. So if you have irritated skin or sensitive skin, definitely check out the Innisfree Bija Sika range. And the third toner in this category is the Etude House Sunjang Relief Toner. And if I compare the consistency of this Etude House toner with the Innisfree one and with the Purito one, this has the most lightweight consistency, and also this has very simple and very minimal ingredients. The Madecassosite, which is the centella bioactive derivative, is its main ingredient, and Madecassosite particularly helps in skin calming and skin healing, and also it contains green tea and panthenol to further soothe your skin. Like all the 3 toners in this category are suitable for all skin type. Like if you have oily skin, these 3 toners are going to be a fantastic toner for all year around, but if you have like normal dry and combination skin, definitely check out these 3 toners for the upcoming summer and also for the monsoon season. Like we dry, normal and combination skin can use it during winter time, but they will not be that hydrating enough for the skin. I particularly love to layer these toner 4 or 5 times to get the most hydration from it. Like this is how I use this particular toner. So the toners in the second category are for badly irritated skin, and they have very minimal ingredients. Like since I do test out a lot of products, sometimes few products don't end up so good on my face, and many times, like even though I put on my favorite products, very skin calming product, my skin keeps on acting up. So for those kind of days when we need very simple products but yet some calming effect on skin, so the toners in this category are for those days. So the first toner is the Cosrx Centella Water Alcohol Free Toner with pH of 6, and this mainly contains 82% of Jeju Island mineral water and 10% of Centella leaf water to calm down your skin. And the second toner is the Pyongyangul Mist Toner. This literally has only 5 ingredients. Like I have not come across any toner that contains 5 ingredients only. So the key ingredient is the Coptis root extract, and this ingredient has very powerful skin calming effect. And like whenever I have used this toner on my face when my skin was heated up, this has like brought down the skin heat immediately within 5 minutes of application. And this is literally my 3rd bottle of something, and I'm still like ready to purchase this again and again. So a wonderful toner. And both of these toner work very similarly, but the Cosrx one is good for the general irritation, and this one is particularly good for the the heated skin or during the summertime when our skin temperature just shoots up. So this is going to help a lot in bringing down that skin temperature. So since both of these toners are mist kind of toner, they are extremely lightweight on skin, they don't feel heavy on skin, and both of these toner can be used by all skin type. And if you have oily skin, definitely get these. They are going to be like perfect for you all year around. But if you have skin type that is like normal, combination and dry, these are going to be perfect for the monsoon time or for the hot and humid summer, or as the emergency skincare product. Toners in the third category are like multi-functioning toners for your skin. They are going to hydrate your skin, they are going to calm your skin, and also they are going to add some that healthy glow on skin. So consider the toners of this third category as the all-rounder. First toner in this category is the Claire Supple Preparation Unscented Toner with pH of 5. And this toner has a watery consistency, very lightweight, but yet it has that slip and bounce to it, something like the Purito one which I shared in the beginning of the video. And this toner has some really interesting ingredients like dimethyl sulfone to calm your skin. It also contains sodium hyaluronate to hydrate your skin. It also has centella to calm your skin, licorice to reduce the redness and brighten your skin. It also contains sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is a derivative of vitamin C, so it's going to provide the antioxidant benefit and also brighten your skin tone to some extent. So if you have oily skin, you can use this Claire's unscented toner for all the season, but if you have skin type that is a normal, combination and dry, definitely check this out toner for the summer and monsoon season. Second toner in this category is the Rovectin Skin Essential Activating Treatment Lotion with a pH of 5 to 5.5. Like, my YouTube videos are incomplete without the Rovectin toner. I have shared this multiple times and I honestly love this toner. Like, this toner has a viscous consistency, but it doesn't feel that sticky or heavy on skin. Like, I have used some rich toner, sometimes they can feel little too much for you, but this is like a very unique product. The main function of this Rovectin toner is to help in reducing the dehydration and all the irritation that is caused by the dehydration. Like, if you have ever experienced severe kind of dehydration can lead to red skin, irritated skin, sometimes breakout. It can also make your skin look dull and patchy and lifeless. So this toner will definitely bring back your skin to a very healthy state. The key ingredient of this toner include niacinamide to calm and brighten your skin. It contains 7 different types of hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin, contains Centella asiatica to calm your skin, licorice to reduce redness and brighten your skin, and it also contains papaya fruit extract, which is a really good skin hydrating and exfoliating ingredient. And definitely check this out if you are dealing lot of irritation and redness, particularly due to the dehydration issue. And if you have oily skin people can definitely use this during the winter time, or if you have like very badly damaged and dehydrated your skin. And whereas the skin type that is normal, dry and combination, we all can use this all year around, and it is such a skin savior. All the mentioned 7 toners are my absolute favorite. I adore them a lot. Like, these 7 toners are some of the best toners that you could find in the market to calm your skin. The only difference would be that like what your skin needs and what's your skin type. But if I have to pick the top 3 skin calming toners for my dry, sensitive and acne prone skin, they are going to be the like number 1 Rovectin toner, second one would be the Purito Unscented toner, and third one would be the Innisfree Bijasika Skin. So all these 3 are my absolute favorite, and I totally adore them. Like, the Rovectin one is my number 1. So comment down below what are your favorite skin calming toners, or if you have any kind of recommendation or feedback for my video, definitely share them, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.